Natural cough remedy using carrot. Coughing is a mechanism that your body uses to eliminate foreign particles and substances, as well as excess mucus that builds up in the lungs and airways. In spite of this, continuous coughing episodes can be uncomfortable and painful, especially when they irritate the throat and prevent you from sleeping. Fortunately, there are a wide variety of treatments available to help control coughing while also fighting the viruses and bacteria that cause it. Among the many options are some 100 natural recipes that take advantage of the incredible properties of their ingredients to reduce excess mucus and clear your system. Today we want to share a very special natural cough remedy that will strengthen your body's defenses to cope with this condition. Don't hesitate to try it. What is this natural cough remedy? This remedy for combating cough consists of a blend of carrot and honey. Both of these ingredients have become popular in alternative medicine thanks to the incredible nutrients that they provide to your body. Both carrot and honey have the ability to strengthen your defenses and create a protective barrier against the flu, colds, and other respiratory conditions that cause cough. Their expectorant effects remove excess mucus and provide a feeling of relief that allows you to sleep better. The benefits of carrot. Carrots are a vegetable with a sweet flavor that have been part of the diets of millions of people throughout history. They are characterized by diuretic and cleansing properties that help eliminate toxins and regulate your circulation, digestive function, and metabolism. Carrots are also a significant source of antioxidants that prevent damage to your cells and premature aging. Their benefits to your lung health are attributed to their high content of vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin A, B-complex vitamins, vitamin C, vitamin K, iron, potassium, magnesium, phosphorus. The benefits of honey. The World Health Organization, WHO, has cited honey as one of the best treatments for alleviating coughs and colds. It's considered to be a soothing ingredient for the throat, and given its nutritional value, it is also one of the best foods to improve your body's defenses. Honey contains antioxidant and antimicrobial properties that inhibit the attack of pathogens on your respiratory system. It acts as a natural expectorant, improving your recovery from major lung problems. The natural sugars in honey are a source of energy for your body and also benefit your metabolism. Honey is completely safe for children, and the good taste of this ingredient makes it easier to get them to consume it. From a nutritional point of view, we should note that honey provides organic acids, citric, lactic, phosphoric and vitamin C, B-complex vitamins, minerals, magnesium, iodine, phosphorus, calcium, enzymes, flavonoids, sterols, polyphenols. How to prepare this natural cough remedy. This carrot and honey beverage is very easy to prepare at home, and you can always keep it on hand to alleviate any discomfort that goes along with your cough. The remedy is suitable for both children and adults, and also serves as a boost to the health of your vision. Ingredients: 5 cups of carrot, 500 grams. 6 tablespoons of honey, 150 grams. Preparation. Wash the carrots and slice them into several pieces. Place them in a pot filled with water and heat them over medium heat until they were tender. Once the carrots have softened, place them in the blender and process with the honey. Pour this beverage into a jar and consume it whenever you notice the first signs of a cough coming on. Mode of consumption. You can take up to 4 tablespoons of this mixture throughout the day. Start with a dose in the morning just after you wake up. Take the remaining tablespoons with each main meal. If you have a coughing fit during the night, take another tablespoon. The effects will begin to be noticeable after the second day, but ideally you should take this until your cough is completely gone. What do you think of this natural remedy? Be sure to make it at home to improve your health, and that of your entire family. If your cough persists for more than a week and you don't see an improvement by using this natural cough remedy, talk with your doctor.